I think where I'm at is like, potentially the case that she's not, but I am, and that may be more likely outcome, but I could be wrong. And you know, I think to that point, there have been people that I've come very close to slightly left on online for some reason.